Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you operators in Python guys. Operators in Python. In previous video, I explain you about conversion type conversions in Python. We have int conversion function, we have boolean conversion function, we have float conversion function, we have float conversion, boolean conversion, and string conversion, guys. I hope you understand type conversions in Python. Now, coming to this video, I will explain you about operators in Python, guys. Totally, we have 7 operators, guys, in Python. Let me tell you each and every operators what are there in Python. For example, we have arithmetic operator, we have we have arithmetic operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator, logical operator, relational operator, relational operator, and we have arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, and we have conditional operator. We have conditional operator, guys, and we have arithmetical, logical, relational, and conditional operator, and membership operator. We have membership operator, membership, membership operator, and bitwise operator, guys. Bitwise operators. In Python, we have these types of operators in Python. We have in this video, I will cover 2 or 3 operators in Python. 2 or 3 operators I will cover. I will explain detailed about arithmetic operator. First, I will explain arithmetic operator. Then after logical operator, relational operator, conditional operator, and membership operator, and bitwise operators, guys. Coming to arithmetic, coming to arithmetic operators, guys. Coming to arithmetic operators, guys, you know mathematical expressions. If you want to perform mathematical operations, you need arithmetical operators, guys. You need arithmetical operators. Arithmetical operators is nothing but plus, minus, multiplication, and division, These are the arithmetic operators in Python, guys. These are the arithmetic operators. By using arithmetic operators, we can perform mathematical operations, guys. We can perform these operators are used to perform mathematical operations, guys. By using these arithmetic operators, we can perform the mathematical operation. Suppose if we want to add 2 numbers, we have to use plus symbol. Suppose if you want to subtract, you have to use minus symbol. And multiplication, if you want, you have to use multiplication. And division, we have to use. These are these operators are used to perform mathematical operations, guys. Are used to perform mathematical operations. For example, coming to addition operators, coming to addition, guys. By using addition, we can perform addition operators. So, for example, if you want to add 10 plus 20. If you want to add 10 plus 20, here I am using plus operator. This operator comes under arithmetic operator. This operator comes under arithmetic operator, guys. Suppose if you want to perform subtraction, you have to use minus symbol. If you want to perform 20 minus 10, this is the mathematical operation. We are performing mathematical operation. Here it is. We are using minus symbol, guys. This also comes under arithmetic operator. Suppose if you want to perform multiplication, we want to perform multiplication like 10 into 10 into 2, 10 into 2 equal 20, right? This is multiplication operator, guys. By using this also comes under arithmetical operator. This is multiplication operator. These are the operators we have in arithmetic operator, and also we have division operator we have, guys. We have division operator we have division operator. In coming to division operator, we have three types of division operators, guys. We have three types of division operator. These are the three types of division operator. And let me explain you one by one detail. Then with the examples, then you can understand better. Suppose I want to perform, write a program, write a program to find addition of two numbers, guys. Addition of two numbers. If you want to perform addition of two numbers, we have to use arithmetic operator. We have to use arithmetic operator. Guys, here I am taking, here I am taking, here I am taking a equal to 10, guys. Here, for example, I am taking a equal to 10 here, and b equal to 20 I am taking here. b equal to b equal to 20, guys. But I'm taking b equal to 20 and b equal to 20. If I want to add these a plus b, I want to add these two numbers by using addition symbol. This addition symbol comes under arithmetic operator. Here I am taking one more variable c. See, guys, here it is not a mandatory to take only a and b only c. These are the variables. Variables is nothing but used to store the value. We can give any number. We can give any name to the variable. We can give any name to the variable. Here I am using c equal to a plus b. I am performing mathematical operation. After performing mathematical operation, I am printing the number. I am printing the number, print C. It will give result as 30, guys. It will give result as 30. I hope you understand what is addition operator. This addition symbol comes under arithmetic operator, guys. Now let's move into ideally, then you can understand better. I will show you output in writing with program. Here I am taking new file. I am taking. See, guys, here I am taking value a equal to input of enter a first number. Enter a first number. Guys, this is the prompt, guys. I already explained you. This is the prompt. We can use any sentence here. You can use, or you can leave it empty also. This is only for understanding. This is the prompt. While you entering the dynamic value, in the console, in the output, you have to enter na. For that enter, it will show the prompt before entering. Then you can easily understand, oh, I have to add first number now. That is the reason why I am giving here prompt, guys. And always input function, it reads string, guys. Input function, always it read string. So we have to convert this string into integer. We have to convert this string into integer, guys. Why we need to convert this string into integer means, if you want to perform mathematical operations, we need to convert, we need to take integer values. Then only we can perform mathematical operations, guys. Then only we can perform mathematical operations. So at first I have to convert this string into integer. By default input, it will take input as a string. Here I am converting this input string value into function integer. So here I am using int function. Yesterday I told you conversion methods. This is the int conversion function. To convert integer. So here I am using same thing. And again I am taking b equal to int of b equal to int of input of enter a second number. Enter a second number, guys. Here I am taking C as a variable to store the result in C. I am storing the result in C variable. Here I am performing the mathematical operation A plus B, guys. Guys, here I am providing space na. This is not mandatory, guys. For your clear understanding, for further sake, I am providing space. You can also give like this also. This is not mandatory. For clear understanding, I am performing I mentioned here space. It doesn't cause any error. Here I am doing mathematical operation. Here, for example, see, I am printing the C value, guys. Here at first I taken A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. I taken it dynamically input I taken, and after taking this line comes under C equal to A plus B, guys. C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. I am printing the value C. It will give result as a 30, guys. It will give result as 30. It will give result as 30. So this is the addition operator, guys, in arithmetic. This is the, see, guys, here it is asking enter first number. See, guys, this is the reason why I used their prompt, guys, for understanding purpose. Then we can easily understand what I want to give now. So that is the reason why I gave prompt. Here I am entering the value 5, and again it is asking enter second number. Here I am entering the value 3. It gives output as 8, guys. It given output as 8. This is the addition operator, guys. I hope you understand addition operator. This is the addition operator, guys. Coming to subtraction operator. Coming to subtract operator. This operator is used to This operator is used for subtraction purpose, guys. Suppose if you want to perform, here I taken a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. If I want to perform a minus b, here it gives output as 10, guys. Here it gives output as 10. And also this minus operator, I mean subtract operator, is also used to swap or interchange the two values. It is also used to swap. First, it is used for subtraction subtraction purpose subtraction purpose, and additional to that it is also used to swap or interchange interchange the two values, guys. Interchange the two values. It is also used for swapping and interchanging the two values. I will show you how it will interchange and swap the two values. Let's move to our ideally. See, guys, that same thing I am doing here. I am taking same value a. I am converting this input a into integer and b equal to int of input of enter second number. I am converting this input number string value into integer value here. I am previously I perform addition operator. Now I am performing subtraction operator, guys. I am using subtraction operator and I am printing the value C here. After executing this program, it is asking that enter a first number. I entered a first number 5 and I entered the second number 3. We got result as 2, guys. This is the subtraction operator. This is subtraction operator and this is addition operator. This is addition operator and this is subtraction operator. Here I got result as 8. Here I got result as 2. This is the arithmetic operators, how the addition and subtraction is taking place. And I also mentioned that a subtract operator can be also used for swapping and interchanging the two values that I will explain you now. For example, for example, here I taken here, for example, here I taken number 1. Here I taken number 1 equal to 10 and number number 2 equal to 20. Number 2 equal to 20. I want to swap these two numbers, this number 2 value to number 1 and number 1 value to the number 2. I mean here after swapping it will get 20 and after swapping it will get 10. This operation I have to perform. For this purpose, I am using subtraction symbol also we can use, or we can directly swap these two values. Now I will explain you how subtraction will comes into the picture for swapping or interchanging the two values that I will explain you now. Here I am taking number 1, number 1 equal to int of input of int of in int of input of enter first number, guys, and number 2 equal to int of input of enter second number, enter second number, guys, enter second number. Here I am performing If I want to interchange these two values, this 10 to 20 and 20 to 10, I have to at first, if I want to perform these, if I want to perform swapping, I have to, here I am using subtraction operator, I mean minus symbol I am using. See, if I want to get this 20 as a 10 means, first here what I am doing is, I am taking one, here I am taking one number 1, another variable number 1 equal to, at first I am adding number 1, number 1 plus number 2. Here I am adding number 1 plus number 2. What I will get here? After adding 10 and 20, we will get 30 as a output, right? The number 1 contains 30. The number 1 contains, after adding two values, it contains 30, right? After adding these two values, here I am performing, for number 1, I got value as a 30. Here I am taking number 2 as another variable, number 2 as another variable. See, here number 1 is 30 and here number 2 is 20. After subtracting from 30 to 20, I will get output as a 10. I will get output as a 10. Now, the number 2 consists of 10, right? The number 2 now consists of 10. So, the 20 is replaced to 10, right? Now I have to replace this number 1 30 to 20. So here number 1, again I am taking number 1 and number 1 is 30, right? I am subtracting this number 1 minus number 2. This number 1 minus number 2, then it will get swapped. Now I will write a code for that, then you can understand better way, and again I will explain you what is happening. Here I am taking number 1 equal to number 1 plus number 2. Number 1 plus number 2. Number 2 equal to number 1 plus number 1, number 1 minus number 2. Number 1 equal to number 1 minus number 2, guys. For example, here I take a number 1 10. Here I take a number 2 20. Here what I am doing? Here I am adding the two numbers 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 equal to 30, guys. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Here the number 1 becomes 30. Instead of number 1 10, instead of 10, it becomes number 1 as 30. After addition, the number 1 becomes here 30, and again I am taking number 2 as a variable, and I am performing number 1 minus number 2, number 1 minus number 2. Here what is happening means, now number 1 becomes 30, right? After addition, number 1 become 30. So 30 minus number 2, here it is 20. Number 2, here it is 20. So finally I got 10 as a output. So here the number 2 here become 10, right? The number 2 here become 10. Again, I am taking number 1 as a variable and I am subtraction number 1 minus number 2. Here, here the number 1 is 30, right? Here the number 1 is 30. Here the number 1 is 30. And number 2, here we got output as 20, right? First, I inputted value 20 as number 2, but it is replaced to 10, right? Here I performed subtraction operator. So the number 2 becomes 10. Then after using subtraction operator, it got output as 20. So number 1 becomes 20 and number 2 becomes 10, guys. And number 2 becomes 10. I hope you understand how to interchange these by using subtraction method. Now I will show you output. I am executing here. I am printing number 1 comma number 2. Number 1 comma number 2. At first it is asking enter first number. Enter first number. I am adding 10. And again it is asking second number and I am adding that value 20. Here see guys, number 1 becomes 20 and number 2 becomes 10. It is swapped, right? It is swapped, right? This 20 came to first and 10 came to second. This is the output 20 and 10. In this swapping or interchange, in this case also, we can use the minus operator, I mean subtraction operator we can use, I mean um, arithmetic operator we can use in the swapping and interchange also. And also we have one more method to swap the two values. For example, here I am taking number 1 as 10 and number 2 as 20. Number 2 as 20. Here I am taking another here I am taking another variable as n3 and I am equaling this n3 to I am giving this n1 value here. I am giving this n1 value here. So here n3 becomes 10. Here n3 becomes 10. Then after I am taking again n1 equal to n1 equal to n2. So this 20 it will give it will comes to here, then n1 becomes 20, then n1 becomes 20 here, n3 becomes 10 and n2 becomes 20. This n3 value, this 10 value I am equaling to 2. So this n1 becomes n2, right? So this 10 goes after equaling the n2 value, it will get 20 as a output here n1. Again, I am taking n2. I am equaling this n3 value to n2. This n3 value to n2. So it will take n2 as 10. Then after it will give 10. I hope you understand. Uh, we have we can also swap in two methods by using subtraction method. This is this is subtraction method. We can swap by using subtraction method, and also we can swap by using, for example, this is this is method 2. This is method 2. See guys, here what I wrote here. Here I am using hash symbol, guys. In Python, hash symbol hash symbol acts as a comment. Hash symbol act as a comment. The purpose of comment is it won't execute in the execution terminal, guys. This is just only a comment. It won't execute in execution terminal. This is just for understanding, for our sake purpose we are using comments. For example, here I am using the comment as, see, uh, I want to I want to add one number one number to perform operations. This is the one comment, guys. It will won't execute in the execution terminal. This is just a comment. For, see, now here I wrote a code. Suppose another person came here, and if we want to understand what code it is, then by studying these comments, then he can understand. Oh, here I want to add one number to perform mathematical operation. Here I want to add one second number to perform mathematical operation. Here here it is doing addition. This is just comment, guys. These are the just comment. It won't execute in execution terminal. Let's come to method 2. Here I am taking number 3 as another new variable. I am adding number 1 value. I am adding number 1. I am adding number 1 value to the number 2. Number 1 value to the number 2. So here the number 3 becomes 10. For example, if I take number 1 as 10 and number 2 as 20, here I am adding this n1 value to the number 3 value. I am adding n1 to the number 3. Again, I am taking n number 1 equal to number 2. I am adding this n2 value to the number 1. This n2 value to the number 1. Then number 1 becomes 20 here. Number 1 becomes 20. Again, I am adding number 2 equal to number 3. Here the number 3 value is 10, right? Here, here the number 3, here the number 3 is 10. This 10 again I am adding to the number 2. This 10 again I am adding to the number 2. Then it becomes 10. Very simple, guys. I am taking one n1 or n2, anyone you take, you are storing in new variable, and that new variable again you are assigning to the same variable. This is the simple. If you want to swap, I am taking new variable and I am equaling that new variable to the already given variables. This is also one way to swap the two given values, guys. I hope you understand. And here I am printing number 1 comma number 2. Here I am printing number 1 comma number 2. After execution, it is asking that after execution, it is asking enter a first number. Enter a first number. Here I am adding the 10 and second number as 20. See, guys, 20, 10 it got. Again I swap by using second method. Again it swapped to 10 to 20. First method it is swapped to 20 to 10, and again 10 20 it is swapped in second method. See, guys, here here I written that comments. These comment will not affect the in the console output console. It won't show any error in output console. That is just for understanding purpose. That called as comments. That called as comments. These comments are, we have to write a comment by using hash symbol. By using hash symbol, if you write anything, that comes under comment, guys. That comes under comment. I hope I hope you understand subtracting operator and addition operator. Let's move to multiplication operator. Multiplication operator, guys. I hope you know, we all know tables, right? We all know tables. If you want to tables, we all know tables. We all know. If you want to perform table multiplication operator, we have to use star symbol. We have to use star symbol. Suppose I want to add 10 multiply 20. Here I will get output as 200. Here I will get output as 200. This is the multiplication operator, guys. For example, if I want to, for example, for example, here I am taking number one equal to int of input of enter first number, enter first number. Again, I am taking into int of input of enter second number I am taking. If I want to perform multiplication operator, here I am taking new variable n3 and I am performing n1 into n2, guys. I am printing the value. I am printing the value n3. It will give, see guys, here I am entering the first value as 5 and second value as 2. Here I got output as 10. Here it is multiplying 5 into 2. Here it is taking 5 into 2 equal to 10, guys. 5 into 2 equal to 10. I hope you understand how multiplication operator performing the mathematical operation. Here Here first, I taken n1 as a 10. So for example, if I take n1 as a 10 and n2 as a 10, here n1 into n1, I mean 10 into 10, it will get output as 100. That I am printing here n3 value. That I am printing here n3 value. For example, this multiplication operator we can use for one more purpose also. Suppose these two are integers, right? This one is integer and this one is also integer. We are multiplying these two integer. We got output as a integer. For example, if I take a string here, if I take string here, I am multiplying the string into with integer value. It will give output as repeated. For example, here I taken a as a string value, and I am multiplying with 5, integer 5. I am multiplying. It will give output as a a a a a 5 times. It will repeat the string value. After multiplying a string with integer value, it will repeat the string value by the given number. Suppose if I give 5 means it will repeat up to 5 times. Suppose if I give 10 means it will repeat up to 10, guys. If you use one is string and one is integer, it will repeat the string value into given integer value. For that purpose also we can use, for example, here I am taking method 2. Here I am taking, wait 1 second, guys. Here I am taking n1 equal to n1 equal to, no, not n1. I will do same thing. Here I am removing the integer into function. After removing into function, after removing the into function, what it will take? It will take, by default input function take string value. By default input it will take string value, and second value I am taking integer 5. Suppose here I taken 2, here I taken 5, it will take a into 5, a into 5. This is string value, and it will give output as a 5 times it will give. A 5 times it will give, guys. A 5 times it will give. A 5 times it will give. For example, here I am executing the program. I want to print. Here I am printing. Here I am printing the value n3. Then I am executing. Here I am taking first value by default input. It will take output input as a string. Here I am giving the a, and here I am taking 5 as an integer. See guys, we got output as a 5 times we repeated. 5 times it got repeated the string value. If you perform string with multiplication, it will repeat that string value with the number of integers. With the number of integers. This is about multiplication. This is about multiplication operator, guys. Multiplication operator. Guys, we have one more operator called division operator. Division operator we have. Coming to division operator. Coming to division operator, guys. In division operator, again we have three types of division. One is float division, one is floor division, one is modular division, guys. One is float division, one is floor division, and modular division. Modular division, guys. This float division, this symbol is single slash. This floor division is double slash. This modular division is percentile. For example, if I take 4, I am dividing this 4 with 2. Suppose this is float division. I am taking first. First I am taking float division. I am taking float division here. I am dividing 4 with 2. It will give 2 2's 4. We got output as 0. Remainder 0. The float division, by default, it will take output as coefficient, guys. It will give output as coefficient. Here we got output 2 in the coefficient, but float value, it will treat this integer we got, but it will treat it as a float value. This 2, this 2, it will convert into 2.0. It will convert into 2.0. It always gives output as a float value. Suppose if we got 2.5 means it will give output as a 2.5 only. It will give output as a 2.5. It will give output as a 2.5. Here it got 2.0, it will give. That is the reason why we are calling it is a float division. This is float division, guys. Suppose coming to floor division, coming to here I am taking 5 floor division 2. Here I am dividing 5 with 2, dividing 5 with 2. 2 times I am multiplying. I got output here remainder 1. Again, again I am dividing. I have taken 0 borrow. I am performing division. Here I got remainder as 0. In this floor division also, in this floor division also, it will take coefficient as a output. It will take coefficient as a output, guys. Here I got output as 2.5, but in the case of a floor division, it will truncate the decimal value. It will truncate the decimal value and it will give output as only 2 means integer value it will give. Only integer value it will give, guys. Only integer value it will give. It will truncate the decimal part. It will truncate the decimal part and it will give only integer value. In previous case, it given float value. In this case, it given integer value. In these two cases, it will take coefficient as a result. Coefficient as a result, it will take in float division and floor division, it will take coefficient as a result. Coming to modular division, here I am taking 4 modular division by 2. I am dividing 4 with 2, guys. 2 2's 4 I got. Here remainder I got 0. In this case, in this modular division case, it will take remainder as a output. Remainder as a output it will take, guys. In the previous two cases, it taken remain coefficient as a 2, but here in this case, it will take remainder as a output. For example, if you divide 5 with 2, we got remainder as a 1. So this is the output in this case. These are the 3 division operators we have in Python. The difference between these 3 division operators also you understand. Now, I hope you understand. Now I will show you with the code. Here I am taking input. I am converting this input value into int. This input value into integer. Here also I am taking integer. Here I am taking float division operator. This is float division. This is a float division, guys. This is float division operator I am performing. After executing this, I will get output. For example, if I taking first number 2 and dividing with second number, sorry guys, here I taken n2 3 instead of n2 3 I taken. Again, I will execute and I will show you. See guys, here it is asking enter first number. I am entering the value 4 and second number as 2 and it got output as a 0. If you divide with 4 by 2 means we will get output. It float division in the case it will take quotient, right? But here we got 2, but here it is showing 2.0. But here it is showing 2.0. This is the float division, guys. This is this is a float division. And again here I am taking floor division. Again I am executing enter first number 4. Same value I am taking here 2. In this previous case, we got output as 2.0, but in the floor case, in floor division, this is float, this is a float, and this is a floor division. We here it will get float value, here it will get integer value, here it will get float value, it will get, here it will get integer value. Here it will get integer value, guys. Suppose if I am performing modular division means here I am replacing this floor division into modular division. Again I am executing my terminal. Here I am giving first number as a 4 and the second number as a 2. Here I got output as a 0. In this case, it is modular division, guys. It is modular division. Here it will take remainder as a output, guys. Remainder, it will take remainder as a output. It will give the remainder as the output. Here in the two cases, it will take coefficient as a output, guys. Coefficient as a output. I hope you understand these three division operators and difference between these three division operators. Guys, I hope you understand. Coming to See guys, today we discussed in this video coming to operators. Coming to operator, we have arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, conditional, membership, and bitwise operator. Today we discussed about arithmetic operator. Here, arithmetic operator, guys. In the arithmetic operator, guys, again we have Again, we have addition operator and subtraction operator and multiplication operator and division operator, guys. It is used to perform addition of two numbers, not only two numbers. For addition purpose, it will use arithmetic operator, subtraction, interchanging, and multiplication. And one more division operator is division operator. This is the four operators in arithmetic. These four operators in the arithmetic used to perform mathematical operations. These four is used to perform mathematical operations. It will perform by using these four operators, guys. And And coming to here, one more point I will explain you for you. Operating procedure, guys. Operating operating procedure. operating procedure, guys. We have one formula to identify the operating procedure. For example, uh, PEMDAS. This is the formula, guys. PMDAS, PEMDAS. In mathematical, this comes under parenthesis, guys. This comes under parenthesis. This is exponential. I mean 5 power 4. This is exponential. And this is multiplication. This M notates multiplication. This A notates division. This A notates division. This A notates addition, and S notates subtraction, guys. This is the sequence of performing the mathematical operations, guys. Suppose if you have, for example, if I take 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 3 means, this is the one expression, guys. 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 3. Here first, um, here first symbol we have addition. Here we have addition, and here we have division operator, and here we have subtraction operators, guys. Coming to these three operators, first we have division operator, right? This is, it will execute the first, guys. Then after addition, then after addition, this it will give first priority to the division, and second priority to the addition, and third priority to the subtraction, guys. See, guys, sequence. This is DAS, right? This comes under DAS, division, addition, subtraction. Suppose here we have one more, like um, three, continuation to three, we have one more three means, here we have multiplication operator. This will, this multiplication operator comes first, and a division operator comes 2, and addition comes 3, and subtraction comes 4, guys. Based on the this, based on this, it will perform the operation. First, it will execute 3 into 2, and again 2 divided by 2, and next plus operator and minus operator. These are the operator procedure, guys. In mathematical, it is operating procedure. PEM, PEM, DA, DAS. P represents parentheses, E exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, guys. Based on the this procedure only, the program perform mathematical operations, guys. I hope you understand the operating procedures and arithmetic operator. In next video, I will explain you about logical operator, then after relation, then after conditional, membership, and bitwise. One by one, I will explain you. Daily, I will take one operator and explain you clearly, and again relational, again conditional, guys. This is all about, in this video, I mentioned all about arithmetic operators, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for spending time in this video. In, if you, if you are okay with my explanation and my content, please like my videos and share to your friends, and finally subscribe to the my channel, guys. Subscribe to the my channel. Then you will get a notifications when I upload a new video. You can't miss after uploading the videos. Then you can continuously watch my series. Then you will become Python programmer, guys. You can write your own code by yourself after completion of my series of Python classes. That's all, guys, for today. Tomorrow I will come up with a new topic like logical operator or relational operator. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.